Today we'll show you how to install an ideal pet patio door insert. Don't forget to like this video, share it and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. First, remove the door lock catch. Measure and mark for the door hangers. The bottom one should be 5 inches up from the door track. For a standard door, the top one should be 69 inches from the track and 84.5 inches for a tall door. This is what the door hangers look like, along with the spacers and screws for it. Mark where the screws will go for the door hangers. Pre-drill 1/8 inch holes for the door hanger screws. Screw on the door hangers. Remove the 2 screws on either side at the bottom. Use them to screw in the 2 H-section springs facing in. This is what the springs look like. Now hang the door on the door hangers. Slide the H-section on the top edge of the door frame and screw it on. This is what the H-section looks like. Use the screws in bag number 3. It should be a minimum of 5/16 inch in from the outside of the door. If it's less than the minimum 5/16 inch, then install spacers behind the door hangers. Measure for the door seal extension and the door seal extrusions. Now install the door seal extension. Use the screws in bag number 4. Clip in the door seal extrusions. Confirm the measurement for the door lock catch. Install the door lock catch. Peel and stick on the draft seal on the back of the patio door. And that's all there's to it. You're all done. Don't forget to subscribe to keep up with our new videos. Thank you.